Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to review Starbucks Reserve Christmas Blend, and we'll be pulling a shot of espresso using the Rancilio and Niche Grinder. So let's get started. Okay, so the Christmas Reserve is a three-way blend with coffee from Costa Rica, Indonesia, and aged Sumatra beans. On the bag, it says some of the tasting notes are tangerine and sweet herbals. So let's see if I can pick up any of those notes in the shot. So the espresso came out a really nice color with a decent amount of crema, and I was immediately hit with that delicious smell of fresh coffee. So why don't we go ahead and put together an iced Americano, which is one of my favorites. So after tasting the coffee, I was able to pick up notes kind of like dried orange peel with some tea-like qualities, plus some cinnamon, which is my favorite. Overall, this coffee is bright, and I'd recommend it to anyone who enjoys a bright coffee or coffees with citrus notes. Alright, so everybody's still here with me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you again, and cheers!